To some tragic news now. An 18-month-old baby died in a fire Monday night in Big Lane, Central Village, St. Catherine. Some residents are accusing the mother of negligence. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
It was minutes after 7 Monday evening when a fire broke out in Big Lane, Central Village, St. Catherine.
We're up on the road and we hear them about fire, fire, fire. So when we run and go up there, it's like about 5 or 6 hours in the yard. Or 7 hours and everything burned down.
A large crowd converged as crime scene detectives processed the area. This followed news that an 18-month-old baby girl, Kira Davis, perished in the fire. According to reports, Kira was at home when the fire started. But tempers are running high in the community as residents are accusing the mother, Shelley Ann Wright, of causing Kira's death. They said Miss Wright ran out of the house when the fire started and left the child inside. But Miss Wright told TVJ News that she left her daughter to get diapers and mosquito destroyer at a nearby shop when the fire started.
Here when Claudette the pan, Shelly Ann, and me answer. When me answer now, she said fire. When me look, me see the fire blaze up so. When me run go in her house now, the fire come pan the long side to which one me turn her head. When me push the door for going in now, the fire bounce me out.
Residents said persons tried to save the little girl but were overwhelmed by the smoke. The residents are also blaming Miss Wright for leaving a lit candle inside the house.
Because them said the fire start in the baby room. She put the candle inside of the baby room.
Me light one candle in the house and the one candle me light the up at the front part where my son there and me deep freeze top. So me no like no candle down there, so and it's very touchy. So me light the candle down there, me know so she'll get up and sit and touch it. So don't like no candle down there. The other candle put on right down there on the dresser.
Meanwhile, 29 other persons, including children, are now homeless. An appeal is being made to get them help.
What I understand this morning is that there was a candle lit in the house last night, and unfortunately it burned to the ground.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.